Unless it's that good cough syrup, I don't want it. Here's a homemade cough syrup. Red onion is an anti-inflammatory and powerful antioxidant. Cinnamon has antimicrobial effects. Lemon prevents nutritional deficiencies. Garlic is rich in vitamin C and B6. Rosemary is a natural immune defense. And star anise has antiviral and digestive benefits. Steep all of this in honey for 24 hours in an airtight mason jar. And if you don't know, honey soothes your throat naturally. 24 hours later, strain it into another mason jar, label it, and put it in your fridge. I take a tablespoon in the morning and a tablespoon in the evening.